Yeah, yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we had a beef banana shank. First time putting this bad boy together. I'm about to make a nice little delicious Mother's Day dinner for the wife. You know what I mean? And all my good family and friends out there, happy Mother's Day to y'all. I hope y'all enjoy and stay safe. And we also have some crab legs right there. I have me a little bit of oil in my pan. We'll give it a nice little color on each side. And we're gonna throw this bad boy in the oven, let it do its thing. All right, it might give it a nice little pop. With that bad boy, fill it up. Fast. Over one time. I will give it a nice little seasoning. So what I did, I added all my seasonings together. And this is the seasoning that I'm using. These are all my seasoning right here. So I have that Kinder's rub, the buttery steak, the onion powder, the basil, and garlic powder. A tablespoon of each one right here. Also I need some garlic, cloves, and some ginger, bell pepper. I need some of that strawberry rose wine. I need some sweet soy sauce. Half a cup of sweet soy sauce. And I have a 1/3 cup of all-purpose marinade for chicken. I'm about to go ahead and put this together. So it's like that garlic in there. Ginger. Bell pepper. All-purpose marinade. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. 345. So we're going in the oven on 400. For seasoning, we're gonna do a nice little 2 tablespoons for the seasoning. I'm strawberry wine. When I say half a cup of water, I'm gonna put the topping in. It's going right in the oven on 400. So we have about half a cup of water in there. We're not covering the whole meat. We leaving half of it uncovered with the water. So once I'm satisfied with the cooking, after 30 minutes, then we're gonna flip it over, let the other side get some of that juice. Okay, so here we go right here. It made it happen again. It's good kitchen. Look at meat right there, extra tender. The potatoes. Yup. Nice little Mother's Day dinner. And like I say, happy Mother's Day to all my good family and friends out there. I hope y'all enjoyed y'all day. But this time I'm doing it right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Share my video if you don't mind. And I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit nice.